Cool. Well, thanks again for sharing, sharing your journey with us. It's been a great insight into Corin and what you're doing with the printers. Just one final question. It'd be great to just get your thoughts on what you think the future is for additive within Corin.
Yeah, so we had as I said, the justification for these printers was on a really specific project, and as that moves through the development phase, and I think that there's a lot of potential for this now to get used as a standard tool in our new development work. We identified a few applications, such as the printing of the phantom parts, that because we've got such a huge variety of parts that we can make, we could apply that through the whole business. And then, yeah, and then on continuous improvement projects, again, that ability to print stuff quickly and try stuff out, I think will be invaluable in those.
Great. Well, thanks again, Matt. Thanks for your time, and I look forward to seeing what the future holds for you.
Yeah, thank you.